Okay, from this question, we have all the required value. Okay, the system asks about specific gravity. Enter 1 as a yes and then insert the value. Secondly, the void ratio. Enter 1 as a yes and then insert the value. And then same goes to the degree of saturation. Enter 1 as a yes and insert the value. And also for the mass of soil, enter 1 as a yes and insert the value. And then press enter and you will get all the answer that you need. So just take the answer that you want from the question.
Firstly, the system will ask for specific gravity. In our question, we are already given the specific gravity, which is 2.69. So our input will be number 1 for yes. Then we just insert the value of our specific gravity. Next, the system will ask for our void ratio. In our question, the void ratio is not given. So for the input, we will enter number 2 as we don't have the value. Then the system will ask for our degree of saturation. In our question, the degree of saturation is 84%. So we need to convert it into real value, which is 0.84. Next, the system will ask for mass of soil. So we just insert our value, which is 1.25. Because of we don't have the value of void ratio, the system will prompt us to insert any option in order to find the answer of our question. In our question, we have the porosity value, which is 42%. So our option will become 4 for the porosity. So we just insert the porosity value, which is 0.42. So here we have already got our value of bulk and dry density, and also we got the value of water content.
From the question, specific gravity already give. So enter 1 for yes and insert the value 2.70. Void ratio also given, so enter 1 and insert the value 0.818. Degree of saturation not given, so enter 2 for no. Mass of soil also not given, so enter 2. we need to choose from the option below. So from this question already give water content. So enter 4 and insert the value 0.22. The program will ask about mass of soil. So insert any number or to skip or enter the option. But for this question, not given any value for option below, so enter 0 and we will get result for specific gravity, work ratio, degree of saturation, porosity, air void content, water content, bulk density, dry density, saturated density, volume of air, volume of water, and specific volume.
From the question, the value of specific gravity are provided, so we will input number 1. The value of specific gravity is 2.69. Then we will input number 2 for void ratio, degree of saturation, and the mass of soil. The system will detect that we only insert the specific gravity, so it will help us with the option below. In this case, we cannot use the water content first because the formula of water content is degree of saturation times void ratio divided by specific gravity. We must find out the degree of saturation or void ratio first, so we will choose option number 1, which is porosity. The value of the porosity is 0.38. Then the system have found the void ratio. We will choose option number 2, which is water content. The value of water content is 17%, which same to 0.17. Then the system will help us to find the mass of soil with the option below. If you don't have any value from the option, you can insert any number to skip. So we will insert number 0 to skip. Lastly, the system will calculate for us and give a result. So we have found the answer from the question, which is the void ratio, dry density, saturated density, and bulk density.
Let's say you don't have all the required values. The system could not help you to count or solve the calculation. For example, enter 2 as a no at all the question that asked by the system. And because we need at least one required value to give you the answers.
Hey, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Aiman.
My name is Muhammad Imran bin Ahmad Rabaim and I am from Selayang, Selangor.
My name is Muhammad Nur Azizi bin Zainuddin and I'm from Shah Alam, Selangor. I'm currently studying in Bachelor degree of Civil Engineering at UiTM Shah Alam.
I really enjoy while using this programming.
To be honest, I think that this system has just brought Malaysians' mathematical world into a whole new different level.
Frankly speaking, as a future engineer, this system is really helpful, and especially for people like us.
The only thing that I need to do is just insert the required value and the system will automatically calculate for me, and it's very helpful for every student.
This system is more than just enough that we may not need a calculator anymore in the future.
And it also can help us to ease calculation, especially in civil engineering work.
And I really recommend to my fellow friend.
This system was really helpful and you will never regret to try it.
10 out of 10 for this brilliant idea.